Disney Pixar Cars collectors. Thanks for joining us in another Collector's Hangout presentation. In this episode, we're going to take a look at the Chick Hicks hauler. The re-release of this hauler has been available for most of 2016 as an exclusive at your local Walmart department stores. As always, we'll take a look at some background information in regards to NASCAR trailers and their importance on the racetrack. Have you ever been to a NASCAR race or maybe watched it on TV? I have personally had the opportunity to visit the racetrack several times, and I must say, it's not just racing. To give you an idea of what I mean, here's a clip from the Dover Monster Mile. There is a lot of strategy behind it. Anything can happen during a race, and there are no do-overs. So immediate resolutions must be made on the track to continue the race. With that said, some of the most important components of the race are the car, tools, crew, and other miscellaneous items needed to keep the race car going during the race. But of course, we all know that. The real question is, how is all of this inventory carried from race to race? The answer to that is with the race car haulers. These haulers are so well designed, and they bring a new dimension to hauling race cars between tracks. The goal is to bring a full repair shop and office on the road. Each hauler containing an engineering department, communications room, and office. The Chick Hicks hauler comes well received as the others that have been re-released over the past year. For roughly $17 US and the addition of a die-cast car, you can have yourself a self-contained Cars playset or display. While this hauler may not be true to the movie or real-life haulers, the message of what its purpose is used for is conveyed well. These are some of the features for this hauler. Starting with the main hauler area, both side panels open upwards to reveal the repair workshop. A platform slides outward, giving more workspace for the HTB sponsored car. Molded on the platform are tires, an air compressor, and a tool chest. The platform also has a flip-down ramp for easy loading and unloading of the Chick Hicks car. Where Mattel placed good attention to detail is with the texture of the platform by including a diamond tread pattern for realism. And finally, before we end, here are 4 of the haulers side by side. Take notice that they all look very similar. For a detailed comparison of some of the haulers, take a look at my video featuring the Mack, Gray, and Wally haulers. I'll leave a link in the description box below. I personally would love to see more consistent re-releases of these haulers. They rekindle the excitement of what this movie is all about by complementing all of the recent crews and similar collectibles from the movie. So what are your thoughts about the haulers? Which ones do you currently own? Is there a particular one that you would like to see re-released? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching this episode of the Collector's Hangout. As always, our goal is to connect you, the fans of the Disney Pixar cars, to the deeper meaning of what the Cars world is all about.